Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I am working on this Miele washing machine. It's a front load. It's W1 series. The model number on this unit is WWF060. The customer's complaint is that when the washer goes to the full spin cycle, it makes a lot of rattling noise. It gets very noisy. So anytime the washer makes noise, abnormal noises, the first thing you want to check is to make sure the washer is level to the floor. And then if the washer is level to the floor from left to right, back to front, then we don't know what the problem is, what's causing this issue. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to find out today, and I will fix it and show you how to fix it. So this is the washer. I'm going to show you the model here. This is the model and serial number. And now I'm going to run it first on drain and spin to see what's causing all of these issues. Have it on the Morse setting. Drain and spin. Start. This noise that you can hear on the background is coming from here, so please ignore it. This is the vibration. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the unit now, and I'm gonna have to pull it out to see there might be something loose in it, because there's no way that the washer would make this much noise. Okay, so in order for me to pull the washer out, I know it's a very tight spot here. It's a very tight space here. For me to pull it out easily, I'm gonna have to add a little bit soap here by the front feet. So this is the bracket that holds the washer and dryer in place. You want to pull it out.
Give him an extra bag.
I think this is loose there. Yeah. Yeah, so there's two ways we can fix this. One, we have to add a couple extra screws on the back. Maybe some of the screws are loose, but I have to get to the back of it. Or you can add a cardboard piece here and there, and that will kind of hold it in place tight. So in order to do this properly, I'm gonna have to get to the back of it. And I also forgot to show you how you take the bottom drawer off, because the space is so tight here, it's almost impossible to show you everything, but I will explain it to you. See this one, you got another plastic tab like this. You have to press it and then pull the slider out and lift it up. That's how you remove this bottom drawer. It's very easy, but the challenging part here is I have to get to the back of it because it's so tight here.
you gonna be able to get out?
Yeah. Hopefully.
I'm not pulling you out.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a really tight spot here. Okay, so there's one screw right here which is loose. It's T number 20, Torx number 20 screw that holds this panel in place, see? And by retightening this screw is gonna make a big difference. I'm gonna have to put this on my drill. Here you go. So there is still a little bit of vibration. What I'm going to do is I have to remove this screw. I got this, and I'm going to have to use some of this. I got 1, 2. No, it's not leaking.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because I got a neighbor underneath who always tells me that I got a leak somewhere.
I have heard some stories about this building.
Well, for years I didn't use the jacuzzi because he kept complaining that he was getting water underneath him. And then my super chested it.
Yeah.
And he said, "You're not leaking. It could come from somewhere else."
Oh, okay.
Not you.
That's good when it's not from you. That's good. You do not have to have it like this. You can always tape it if you want, but it's not necessary. Just you want to make sure that you add something on all corners and this. So see, no vibration, no buzzing noise, nothing. And the washer is fixed. When you reinstall your bottom door, try it a couple of times to make sure it's not catching, not making any scratch noise. Open it to the full extent and then close it back. You're good. And now we're gonna run the washer again and see how it goes. So we're gonna run drain and a spin. This buzzing noise was for 6 months? That's insane.
It got worse and worse and worse.
Well,
It started with nothing.
you...
Looked at it, said, "That's nothing, leave it alone."
Okay.
Then when they said that they had somebody from Miele at Stalwarts, I said, "Well, send them over."
Yeah.
My fridge went. I figured, oh, if you know anything about Miele, because I have only had appliances. My dishwasher is.
Okay, yeah. I fixed all appliances made by Miele.
Yeah. Find anybody. So I phoned them at Stalwarts and said, "Hey, I need got you one."
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so the spin cycle is working fine. The noise is gone. We do not have vibration noise. That's a screeching noise. The bottom panel was hitting, so it seems okay now. If you don't mind, thank you. You can see me on the camera?
Yes, I see you.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. And thank you for the customer to hold the phone for me. Thank you so much.